Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, we are going to look at how do you eat non-numeric character in input fields in Oracle VB. There may be a use cases where you don't want your users to enter character. As soon as they type the character, I prevent my users to enter the non-numeric characters. For example, age, for example, amount, and other fields. You don't want your users to enter the characters at all. So let's begin and see how you can achieve the same here. So in this application, I'm going to add a new page. Let's say, or maybe I can try this client-side validation. So here in this particular age field. So if you see here, if you type something here, you can type maybe this. Enter number is fine, but maybe I don't want my user to type the character even. So for that, what I'm going to do, I am going to generate an event with this input number is called press, key press. So as soon as the user is typing something, I wanted to generate this key press select new chain. So I will not be doing anything in this key press. So rather, if we have an event listener here where you can say we have this listener input number key press. So this is the listener which has been generated, which has a property called true and false. If you say true, this listener will stop firing automatically. And if I say false, which is default, this event will fire. So I wanted to set this true and false programmatically. So I'm going to write a JavaScript code here. Here, the function would be this. Let me call the function here. Eat non-numbers, which would be using some event here. And then, okay, and then let flag equals to false. And then I'm going to say event, which event, if it is there, I'm going to get the code and then converting it and then replacing and just checking, replace this guy and checking if char not equals to replaced value, flag true, else flag false, which will make sure you are not typing characters. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to call this function from this listener. So click here. Okay, looks like some error here. Go to variables. All right, so I have to use this because this is the older way of calling this function, which is fine. Prototype equals to function. All right, correct. Now let's call this function from this guy and fx. And then you can say the functions would come here, functions eat non-numbers here. And then what you will pass? You will pass this event here. And then save. Now go here, let's say live, and let me try to put 1, 2, 3. I'm able to, but let's say DDDD, GGG. I'm not able to enter anything apart from number. I'm trying to type D, A, F, G, H, not able to type. So with a simple JavaScript code, you can simply achieve this use case where your users would not be able to enter numbers. Hope you find this useful. That's all about this. Thank you. Bye-bye.